ऑर्गेनिजम्स रिप्रोड्यूस, जीव कैसे उत्पन्न होते हैं। तो कहता है कि रिप्रोडक्शन, द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम द एग्जिस्टिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑफ द सेम स्पीसीज इज नोन एज रिप्रोडक्शन। Why reproduction is necessary on the earth? Reproduction is essential for the survival of a species on the earth, and the process of reproduction ensures continuity of life on earth. Reproduction by human being ensures that the human species will continue to exist on the earth for all the time to come. Reproduction gives us rise to more organisms with the same basic characteristics of their parent. प्रश्न होता है कि हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन? रिप्रोडक्शन आर टू टाइप्स, एक सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. टुडे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, the offspring arises from a single parent. आप ध्यान देंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेक्सुअल और सेक्सुअल. एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में सिंगल पेरेंट की आवश्यकता होती है, जबकि सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में दो पेरेंट्स की आवश्यकता होती है, मेल एंड फीमेल. तो द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम ए सिंगल पर्सन विदाउट द इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ सेक्स सेल्स और गैमेट्स इज कॉल्ड asexual reproduction. Some examples of asexual reproduction are binary fission in amoeba, budding in hydra, spore formation in rhizopus, regeneration in planaria, fragmentation in spirogyra, and vegetative reproduction, propagation in flowering plants like rose. And sexual reproduction, the production of new organism from two parents by making use of their sex cells or gametes is called sexual reproduction. Human, fish, frog, hens, cat, dogs, cows, rabbits, lions and tiger also reproduce by sexual reproduction. The basic difference between sexual and asexual reproduction is that only one parent is needed in asexual reproduction, whereas two parents are needed in sexual reproduction. Another difference is that no sex cells or gametes are involved in asexual reproduction, but sex cells take part in sexual reproduction. अब आता है आपका asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction are of 6 types. नंबर 1 है fission. फिशन भी दो तरह के होते हैं, बाइनरी फिशन एंड मल्टीपल फिशन. व्हाट इज फिशन? इन दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ फिशन एनी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म डिवाइड टू फॉर्म न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म. बाइनरी फिशन, द पेरेंट्स स्प्लिट इनटू टू न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म. बाइनरी फिशन आर फाउंड इन अमीबा. अमीबा देखेंगे आप, दो खंडों में टूटता है और उससे दो ऑफस्प्रिंग तैयार हो जाते हैं. And in multiple fission, the parents agree split होता है डिवाइड करना, छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में टूटना, दो खंड टूटे या कई खंडों में टूटे, to form many new organisms at the same time. Example Plasmodium. अब आता है budding. What is budding? In the budding, a small part of body of parents organism grows out as a bud, and which then detaches and become a new organism. हाइड्रा होता है, हाइड्रा के देखेंगे नीचे एक बड निकलती है और अलग हो जाता है, फिर नया हाइड्रा तैयार हो जाता है. अब आता है स्पोर फॉर्मेशन. इन स्पोर फॉर्मेशन द पेरेंट प्लांट प्रोड्यूसेज 100 of microscopic reproductive units called spores. When the spores case of the plant bursts, then the spore spread into air. When these airborne spores land on food or soil under favorable condition, they germinate and produce new plant. जैसे राइजोपस, फंगस होता है राइजोपस, उसमें क्या होता है, स्पोर फॉर्मेशन होता है। रीजनरेशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ गेटिंग बैक ए फुल ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम इट्स बॉडी पार्ट इज कॉल्ड रीजनरेशन। रीजनरेशन स्पेशली फाउंड इन प्लेनेरिया एंड इन आल्सो इन हाइड्रा। हाइड्रा में बडिंग से भी रिप्रोडक्शन होता है और रीजनरेशन होता है। अगर हम प्लेनेरिया के पार्ट को कई खंडों में काटते हैं तो ईच पार्ट डेवलप एंड मेक द होल बॉडी ऑफ प्लेनेरिया। अब आता है फ्रेगमेंटेशन, द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ ए सिंपल मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म इनटू 2 or more pieces on maturing, each of which sequentially grows to form a complete new organism is called fragmentation. The organism like Spirogyra and C. anima can reproduce by the method of fragmentation. The main difference between fission and fragmentation is that आपने भी कहा सर फिशन में 2 खंडों में टूटता है, 3 खंड टूटता है, और फ्रेगमेंटेशन में टूटता है। तो व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्रेगमेंटेशन एंड फिशन? The difference between fission and fermentation is that in fission a unicellular organism breaks up to form 2 or more daughter organism, whereas in fragmentation a multicellular organism breaks up to form 2 or more daughter organism. अब आता है वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन। इन वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन न्यू प्लांट्स आर obtained from the part of old plants like stem, root and leaves without the help of any reproductive organs. The green grass, जान देंगे वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन, the green grass grows in the field after rains from the dry old stems of grass plant present in the field by the method of vegetative propagation. Bryophyllum plants can be reproduced by vegetative propagation by using either a piece of its stem or its leaf. Bryophyllum को बोलते हैं अजूबा। Money plant can also be grown by vegetative propagation by using a piece of its stem. A tuber is the thickened underground stem of a plant which is swollen with food restored. तो किससे बनता है फूड स्टोर्ड? पोटैटो स्टेम है, रूट नहीं है, पोटैटो इज स्टेम। अब आता है आपका आर्टिफिशियल प्रोपगेशन ऑफ प्लांट। आर्टिफिशियल में कैसे करते हैं? कटिंग, लेयरिंग एंड ग्राफ्टिंग। फर्स्ट आता है कटिंग। ए स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट विच इज रिमूव्ड बाय मेकिंग ए कट विद शार्प नाइफ इज कॉल्ड ए कटिंग, may be in a piece of stem, root or leaf. While making a cutting, care should be taken to see that there are some buds on it. जैसे शुगर केन होता है, इसको कटिंग तैयार करते हैं। The plants like rose, wagonbelia, grass, sugarcane, banana and cactus etc. can be grown by means of cutting. अब आता है layering. In this method, a branch of plant is pulled towards the ground and a part of it covered with moist soil leaving up the tip of the branch exposed above the ground. After some time, new root developed from the part of the branch buried in the soil. The branch is then cut off from the parent plant. The part of branch which has developed roots grown to become a new plant. Example है जैस्मिन। अब देखिए होगा देहातों में कि जो नींबू का पौधा होता है उसको भी हम लेयरिंग द्वारा कर सकते हैं, उसके डाल दबा देते हैं और फिर नया प्लांट तैयार हो जाता है। अब आता है ग्राफ्टिंग। ग्राफ्टिंग इज ए मेथड इन विच द कट स्टेम ऑफ 2 different plants, one with roots and other without roots, are joined together in such a way that the 2 stems join and grow as a single plant. The cut stem of plant having roots and fixed in soil is called stalk, and the cut stem of another plant without root is called scion. Scion is the upper part of the plant which may have leaves on it. अब एडवांटेज ऑफ asexual reproduction. The new plant produced by artificial vegetative propagation will be exactly like the parent plants. Any desirable features of parent plants will be replicated in the new plant. The fruit tree grown from seeds may take many years before they start to bear fruit, but the fruit tree grown from cutting or by grafting start to bear fruit much earlier. The plants grown by vegetative propagation usually need less attention of their early years than the plant grown from seeds. Many plants can be grown from just one parent plant by artificial propagation. We can also get seedless plant by artificial propagation. अब आता है आपका टिश्यू कल्चर. The production of new plants from a small piece of plant tissue removed from the growing tips of a plant in a suitable growth medium is called tissue culture. टिश्यू कल्चर आप कैसे बनाते हैं? A small piece of plant tissue is taken from the growing plant of a plant and placed in a sterile jelly which contains nutrients and plant hormones. The hormones make the cells in the plant tissue divide rapidly, producing many cells which form a shapeless lump of mass called callus. The callus is then transferred to another jelly containing suitable plant hormones which stimulate the callus to develop roots. The callus with the developed root is then put on at another jelly containing different hormones which stimulate the development of the shoots. The callus having roots and shoots separate into teeny plantlets. In this way, many teeny plantlets are produced from just a few original plant cells. The plantlet thus produced are transplanted into pots or soils where they can grow to form manure plant. Advantage of tissue culture. Tissue culture is very fast technique. Thousands of plantlets can be produced in a few weeks time from a small amount of plant tissue. The new plants produced by tissue culture are disease free. Tissue culture can grow plants round the year irrespective of weather or season. Very little space is needed for developing new plants by tissue culture. Do organisms create exact copies of themselves in asexual action? Asexual reproduction usually results in the production of genetically identical offspring. The only genetic variations arises as a result of occasional occurrence in DNA replication at the time of cell division. This will become clear from the new organism produced by one parent through asexual reproduction identically to the parent is called clone.